Hola amigos, somos John y Johnny.
Time out, what are you doing?
I'm just, brushing up on my Spanish.
All right, well, before you continue with your Spanish, I'm gonna make 5 Spanish cocktails, and maybe then your Spanish will get a little bit better.
Vámonos. All right, everybody, here are our top 5 Spanish cocktails. First one up is gonna be
Spanish gin and tonic. All right, so what we're gonna do first is I'm gonna just pour my gin and put in some ice and mix it up. Right into the glass. Now we're gonna go with a flavored tonic. This is lime and yuzu. You ready for this?
I'm ready.
This is the purpose of this spoon, right?
What's the point?
These will allow the carbonation not to overflow and bubble over. So you put it on the spoon like that, it runs down the spoon. That's why it's ribbed like that, if you ever looked at these spoons. There's no wrong way of doing this. Right. You can add anything you want to complement, enhance things that you care to enjoy in the Spanish gin and tonic, right? So we're gonna go with a lime wedge. So I'm gonna give it both a squeeze on top, and then I'm gonna leave this as a bit of a garnish. Okay. Blueberries is all cool, good looking stuff that's gonna make your drink that much nicer. All right. These are dried flowers. So hibiscus, and these are rose petals. I'm just gonna sprinkle some of these on top. Okay, and here you go.
It looks delicious.
Just don't.
Sorry, very, very, very dry forward gin, and I'm not a big fan of the dry gins, but.
Enhance it, build it the way you like, have fun with it, experiment, and when you find the right combination, then you own it, you make it your own. All right, cheers.
Next drink up is gonna be
a rum and Coke. Not really. Quite simply, these 2 ingredients. This is called a Cuba Libre. Cuba Libre starts off with dark rum and Coca-Cola, but change it up a little bit. Vanilla extract, simple syrup, and then we're gonna use some lime. We're gonna make this cocktail right in the glass. So you have your rum, dark rum is preferred, a couple ounces, simple syrup, taste preference. Vanilla extract, a couple drops of that in there, it's cool. Lime, I cut half and I squeeze half. I'm just gonna put half in here, save the other half for garnish, and ice it up. All right, so there's your Coke.
There it is.
Yepper. Give it a little stir.
There you go.
And there's the other piece of my lime. I'm gonna give you a little lime around the rim. Yeah.
It's good.
Is it good?
A lot of rum in there.
Do you like it? Well, of course, we're spirit forward here. I like it. Actually, I'm not a big rum and Coke guy.
Neither am I.
But this is
bad.
You guys gotta try this. You gotta try and make this at home, definitely.
And our third Spanish cocktail of the day is gonna be
Sol y Sombra, which means sun and shade. This is a pretty easy drink, 2 ingredients, nothing major, no heavy lifting. You have some nice brandy here. We're gonna do about 1.5 ounces, maybe a little bit more. See the dark color, cool. And then here comes the sun. So about 1.5 ounces, this is gonna be sweet.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna ice up our shaker. There you go. We're not garnishing this. We're just keeping it really simple. So this is
That's really good.
This is a bottle of anisette that I think most people, especially my age, have in their cupboard somewhere. They don't know where they got it. They don't know how to really use it other than like in an espresso. So again, great option for you guys. Wow, that's really good.
Good.
That is really good. Cheers.
Next up is gonna be
Barraquito. So the Barraquito is a layered cocktail. So we're gonna build it right in this glass. We're gonna layer it up. Wish me luck. I've made a few of these and well, I haven't quite got it perfect yet, but let's give it a shot. Take the condensed milk, it's the bottom first layer in the glass, right? Pour a little bit in there. This is the tricky part. This is the part that is gonna make or break us.
Come on.
Okay, good.
Wow.
Pretty good.
That you can't get much better than that.
Next ingredient, liqueur 43. All right, so we're gonna use the spoon to layer that on. Good.
Ooh.
Good. Come on, this is a science project. This is the espresso. I'm gonna put it in this. So this has a lip. Hopefully it'll just be a little easier for me to pour.
Don't mess this up. Gentle, gentle. Wow.
So far so good, kids. All right, I'm gonna top this off with whipping cream. This is just, again, regular whipping cream. I'm gonna take this and just whip the cream.
Oh, baby, that's looking good. That is looking good. Best looking drink of the day.
Topping this off, I'm gonna use some cinnamon. This is a little cinnamon dance. Good. I think we did justice to the Barraquito.
Great job.
Cheers. So now, the way you're gonna drink this is, you can take your straw, put it in there, you can mix it up. It's hard not to like this. It's got a lot of sweet.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Drink up.
It's dessert.
Yep. Ooh. You gotta try the Barraquito.
That's delicious. And our last drink of the day.
Frozen sangria. This is gonna require a little preparation, a little thought, and you gotta get a few ingredients, right? So you're gonna have to get some apples, some oranges, some limes. You know, anything that you really prefer as your fruit, you can use, okay? Break that right up. Take as much of the skin and the rind, right, off of there as you can. This is gonna serve several glasses, so we're gonna make a bunch of it. Got some lime juice. We're gonna use a bag of frozen fruit, berries in here, strawberries. Most sangrias have peaches, apples, oranges, right? So I'm gonna put some peach in here too. In that goes, right? A little Cointreau. Gonna put a couple ounces of that in. This is just a little simple syrup, right? Red wine.
Ooh.
Look at that. Look at that.
I see it.
You see it?
I see it. Color.
Yeah. Cheers. Enjoy your frozen sangria.
All right, everybody, that's it for today. If you have a Spanish cocktail that's your favorite, comment below. Like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Cheers.
Cheers.